Hey guys, it's Haywood, and I'm going to go over how to use Canva. Canva is a great web design service. You can design anything your mind can think of. Let's go over to templates. You have templates for everything: social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending. Also, you can print products, business cards, postcards, invitation. Click here. And if you need a print job, you can click there, design whatever you want to design, and they'll ship it straight to your door. There's just so many things to do here to design. I recommend you go ahead and sign up. You can do it at canva.com. And if you're in marketing, advertising, sales, this is a great resource and tool to use to start building your business using the marketing and advertising with colorful presentations. Whatever you need is here if you need design for marketing and advertising, anything. So let's go to create design. And you can create a design with custom dimensions, whether it's 500 by 500, 1000 by 500, 1000 by 1000. It's up to you. Video, presentation, a Facebook post, a YouTube thumbnail, poster, Instagram post. Now, whatever you're creating, they can tailor anything for you. So let's go to videos, just for an example. Okay. So some recently used videos I've used. Now, if you're looking for a YouTube intro to create, this is perfect to start here. 10-minute, 10-second videos. There's more YouTube samples. There are and stream video ads. A lot of options to use. So if you wanted to use this one, just click this, and it'll appear here. And it's 4.8 seconds. Now, if you want to lengthen that, you click this, and you just lengthen it out how long you want it, 10 seconds. And then you click done. Now the clip is 10 seconds. Now, if you want to change the text here, you click this. Now you can change it or you can delete it. So that's delete it. Delete the group. And if you want to add text, you hit text. It'll give you the option of adding a heading, subheading, text, or to give you some already pre-designed forms. Like I recently used that, so if I want to use this again, just click here. And it'll appear here. Then you can just type anything you want to. And let's see, we'll bag it up. Let's see, we'll just put beans, just to give an example. So you can take out, add, cut, however you want to do it. Delete that. Just give me an example. Now let's drop down. Let's go to photos. Now, if you want to add photos, just search what photos you want. Now, me, I'm already a pro member. Now you can upgrade. And if you see a crown by the picture or video, that means that only pro members can use that. You can upgrade to Canva Pro, which I do recommend. It's a yearly, $120 a year, or you can do the monthly, $12 a month. It's up to you, but I do recommend using it. You have way more options, way more tools to use for creation when you upgrade to the Canva Pro. But it's up to you. It's totally free. You can use this for free, though. You just don't have all the access to all the photos and text and elements and everything, but you have access to most of them. So there's a subscribe button here. If you're in YouTube, you could, let's say if I want to put the subscribe button here as an intro, you'll click this, and you can shrink that down just by doing this. subscribe. So there's plenty of options to use. I'm just giving an example using videos. You can create music. You can add music to the video also. Background. Like I said, so many things to do. Be creative. If this is your one-stop shop to all creative marketing, advertising, slideshow, whatever you want to create, brochures right here. So I recommend you do sign up, but you can check the description of this video. I'll leave a link to Canva. Just click it, and you can sign up for free and use it. I say test out a few, get creative, just test out a few things. And whenever you're ready to download, to save to your computer, just click download. And it'll give you, this is a video, so MP4 video, and you just click download, it'll save it right onto your computer. You can use it right then, upload it, whatever you want to do. So let's back it up to the main page here while I was going over. So if you want to learn, you will go over here and learn, getting started with Canva, quick tutorials, designing, social media, graphic design, branding. So they have you covered. If you get a little confused, you need to go back and say, hey, this is more difficult than I thought it would be. So they have it covered. Just get up here, learn, hover over learn, and click getting started with Canva, and you'll be able to watch the tutorial videos. So I hope this helps you if you are involved in marketing, sales, advertising, or you just want to create some cool videos, some cool posts for Instagram, your social media, Facebook, whatever. You can do it all here. So just click the link in your description, and the description of the video down below. And you can sign up now for Canva for free. I do recommend you upgrade to the Pro member to have access to more tools and resources to create more stunning visuals on whatever you create. So with that, you guys have a great one. I'll be talking to you later.